Family and friends of Amadou and Ndiaye gathered at the corner of Wilson Avenue and Boston Road Monday morning, where the livery cab driver was found shot to death.
You try to be good guy, the bad guy kill you for nothing, no reason. And sometimes you don't even find the guy who killed him.
Police are searching for the gunman who fatally shot Ndiaye in the chest. It happened around 12:30 Monday morning as the immigrant from Senegal was doing a freelance driving shift, although he did not have a taxi and limousine commission license to operate a cab. Police say the shooting may have occurred during an attempted robbery.
What we're looking for now is to see if any video cameras in the area. Obviously, there were a lot of businesses there, but they were closed. That happened after midnight.
Kelly said cops were also canvassing the neighborhood looking for clues. After he was shot, Ndiaye's car hit two others. The driver of one of those cars said he saw someone running from the scene. He is working with police. Relatives say Ndiaye had been here for more than 20 years and regularly sent money to a wife and two children in Senegal.
Honest guy, that's that guy who working hard to try to live in here, then send back money.
And they say Ndiaye was aware of the potential dangers of driving a cab during late night hours, but had little choice.
It's very dangerous to drive taxi. Then nothing you can do. You have to make a living. You don't want to be bummed. You don't want to be eating in the garbage can. You don't want to sleep outside. You have to wear your clothes. So what can you do? That's the only things you can do.
Police are asking for your help with their investigation. Anyone with information can call the NYPD Crime Stoppers hotline at 800-577-TIPS. In the Bronx, Roger Clark, New York 1.